What up, guys? It's your boy King Joffrey Joe 413 back with another one. What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. All right, what's good today? Another DIY Wednesday. DIY Wednesday, yes. Today, it's gonna be a little short one, you know what I'm saying? Quick and easy. We already showed you once before. We're working with the guys over at RykerWraps.com. Today, got a little wrap in the tube. We're gonna be throwing on side panel wraps. We got the custom ones, you know what I'm saying? We went custom this time. We ain't grabbed no regular deglars. We went custom. We're gonna throw these on there, another wrap. So what I'm doing is slowly wrapping my bike. I'm not getting the whole wrap at one time, getting different pieces, customizing them, doing different stuff, you know what I'm saying? You don't got it, you do it how you want. RykerWraps.com is gonna give you what you want, how you want it. You know what I'm saying? If you love it, wrap it. That's their logo, that's slogan. Slogan. I knew I'd get it right eventually. So, what we working with today, guys? Did I mention to go to the website and get yourself some merch? I guess I didn't mention that. Thought I was gonna show you this, but I gotta mention the merch before you see what we're gonna be working with. So make sure you guys check out the website, KingJoffreyJoe413.com. Get yourself a hat, get yourself a shirt. You know what I'm saying? Get yourself an entry for a giveaway. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Next we're gonna do is check out this wrap. So, hit my man Mike over at RykerWraps.com and told him I needed something custom. I wanted King Joffrey Joe, wanted my logo, he sent this back, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm riding with. You know King Joffrey Joe got the red with the blood splatter on it because he be just hitting people and dipping. Zombies, I hit zombies. So, we're gonna be doing the install for this today on the side panels. These panels come 2 pieces. Obviously there's a slit right here. So, 1 piece here, 1 piece here. What you want to do is you make sure you clean your bike off 91% or better. I'm not even gonna say the name because I mess up every time. So make sure you clean it off, dry it off nice and good. See, I got some, see that right there? That's some glue. When I had that ram mount, you gotta glue those little rubber ends on it. I try to glue those on there and I drip glue. But probably need to order another panel anyways just to replace that. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw you on the table and we're gonna, we got D rolling 3, gonna help me throw these wraps on real quick, you know what I'm saying? Cause you already know, I like to use not one hand, like 3 or 4, so. All right, guys, so, as you know, so the wrap, it covers the whole thing. So you're gonna have to remove your, if you got a rally, you're gonna have to remove your rally accessory and I'm just gonna keep it off because if we want to put it back on, it's gonna cover some of your wrap. And I'm gonna keep it off for now. Leave it like that, and maybe after a while I want to change it up, and then I can put it right back on top of there. You know what I'm saying? Before it gets to the day that I want to take it off. So what you're gonna be using to take this off is we use the T25. So there's little square bolts in the back of it. Hold the little square bolts and then unscrew your panels. I mean, your accessories. And then you're gonna pop it off. Nice and easy. All right, so then you want to clean it with the rubbing alcohol. All right, so we already got this one. We already got this one cleaned up and prepped for the go. So we're gonna get this started with this first one. Which one is that one? This one? This one, yep. So, first one is this one. So we're gonna start with this side. Put that one like on that. No, you're gonna be able to tell.
Because I told you.
Nah, nigga, when you put it on, I was like, why this shit not straight on top? This nigga dipped this shit down. This dude dipped it down, yeah. I'm gonna show this one on video now. What? That's messed up. I'm cutting your thing. Alright guys, we got the first piece on. Now we're gonna add on the second piece.
If 10 was that easy, yo,
Still be doing it.
I'll still be doing it. How you think? I still need to do that.
How you guys take a look at this? Take a look at this, guys. Show them. Let them see. Let them see. What y'all guys think? What you guys think of that? You know what I'm saying? I think. Do you think that top-notch Ryker? Top-notch Ryker mods. Do you think that RykerWraps.com did a good job on this? I think so. We got a little dip right there, but that wasn't their fault. That was somebody else's fault. We ain't got to point no elbows or say no names, but yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. This could have went this way a little bit, but that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. I actually could put that up a little bit in that corner too, but that's dope. So you're wondering why it doesn't cover the bottom? It's because you have your numbers down here, so when you set your pegs and stuff. That's how it's supposed to be. Oh, so after you finish the first side, what you're gonna do is repeat those steps to the second side. Let's see what kind of paper he's using. 3M, only the best. Only the best. All right, guys. So
I like it anyways, bro.
second side is done. Second side is done. So what we're gonna do is it's both sides right there, left and right. All right, guys. So we're gonna end on that note. And thanks for watching. Shout out to Top Notch Ryker mods. Said them again. Shout out to RykerWraps.com for the wrap. You know what I'm saying? Custom. You hit Mike up if you guys need a wrap. RykerWraps.com. Get yourself a wrap. Hit up the merch. Get yourself some merch. You know what I'm saying? Get y'all guys some merch. To the next one, guys. Peace.